It starts as a subtle whisper on a chilly September evening, but as the days go by, it catches as fire does when fed, until you suddenly realize that harvest is upon you. What is harvest? Harvest is many different things to many different things. Footballs and sweaters, I can't think of anything better. Roast turkey and apple pie, you bet. The chilly, beautiful auburn sky on a chilly October evening. The golden corn as it waves in the wheat, as it waves in the wind. Football, fly eagles, fly. Turkey, stuffing, you know it. The leaves and the beautiful autumn sunset. Is there anything more beautiful? Take time to thank God for the gift of the harvest season. While you're at it, thank Him for everything.